You got like about 3 more minutes left. Okay, your first drill is going to come up in about 30 seconds. So what you're going to do is you're going to add 0.5 to base pace. You're going to be there for 30 seconds. So you're going to add another 0.5 and then another 0.5. So these are going to be 90-second intervals. You're going to do that 3 times.
Okay.
All right, so I'll tell you when to add. So each time you're just going to add 0.5 and 3, 2, 1, 0.5 to your speed. Three, two, one, add another 0.5. 3, 2, 1, add 0.5. One more time. In 3, 2, 1, go back to base pace. All right, we're going to do that again. Add 0.5 to speed. 0.5 to speed. All right, do that again. Add another 0.5. And last time, add 0.5. You should be 1.5 above base pace. Three, two, one, go back to base pace. One more time through. Add 0.5 to base pace. Add 0.5 to base pace. I mean, add another 0.5. You got it. And last time, add 0.5. Should be at 1.5 above base. And bring it back down to base pace. Woo! All right, if you need to take a walk, you can take a walk instead of running.
Okay.
We got a break for 2 minutes. I'm still getting my 5-mile walks in every morning.
Good for you.
I know. I'm trying to make that as a. I'm writing an article about going out. It's called "Take a Walk on the Bright Side."
Good.
As we're getting into our 4th week here, you know, it's harder to stay motivated and
Yeah.
inspired. So it's basically just saying, I've heard to try to stay on a schedule, you know, that it's very easy to just get relaxed and that and say, commit yourself to a schedule. So every morning I make sure my alarm goes off at 5.
I was going to ask you how early.
Yeah, I'm very early, but it doesn't have to be that. Just because I'm walking over an hour, but I'm out the door at 5:15 and I walk for an hour and 15 minutes. And some of the mornings I get up, it's pretty hard. I'm always up before the alarm gets off, but I'm like, do I really want to go outside? No, I don't want to. And I'm like, nope. And as soon as I get outside and I start walking, you know, I listen to my podcast and stuff like that. So I'm so glad I keep doing it. But I'm just going to write a little thing like that of saying, you know, make an effort if you feel like you need something to get up. Even if you go out for 15, 20 minutes to walk every morning before you start your day, it might break this little lull in your.
Yeah. Was it raining this morning?
No, the ground was wet, but
Okay.
yeah. All right. So why don't you get back up to base pace? So this is going to be a long set. This is going to be 10 minutes long. All right.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is you're going to take your base pace up to 1.0 above base.
Now?
All right. And you're going to run there at 40 seconds. And then you're going to boost it up at 2.0 above base for 20 seconds and then back down. So I'll talk you through it. So add 1.0 to speed. You there? Sounds like it.
Okay.
All right, stay there. All right, I want you to add another 1.0 to speed. So you're 2.0 above base.
Okay.
For only 20 seconds.
Okay. It's fast. Oh my God.
I know, you have 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, take 1.0 off speed. So you're still 1.0 above base. Now you're going to go back and forth between that 1.0 above and 2.0 above.
Okay.
We're going to do that 9 more times. So it's a 10-minute set. So again, right now you're 1.0 above base.
Now?
Are you at 1.0 above base?
Yeah.
You're not going to go to base pace through this whole set. You're always going to stay at 1.0 or 2.0. All right, in 3, 2, 1, add 1.0 again. So go 2.0 above base.
Okay.
All right, subtract 1.0 from speed. Right now you should be 1.0 above base.
Yep.
All right, good. So you're staying 40 seconds at 1.0 above base and 20 seconds at 2.0 above base. And we're just going back and forth for that for the next 8 minutes. Three, two, one, add 1.0 to speed. In 3, 2, 1, subtract 1.0 from speed. Three, two, one, add 1.0 to speed. Three, two, one, subtract 1.0 from speed. Three, two, one, add 1.0 to speed. Three, two, one, subtract 1.0 from speed. We have 5 more, Paula. 5 more minutes.
Okay.
Three, two, one, add 1.0 to speed. Three, two, one, subtract 1.0 from speed. Hang in there, just 4 more minutes to go.
Okay.
Three, two, one, add 1.0 to speed. Three, two, one, subtract 1.0 from speed. 3 more to go. Three, two, one, add 1.0 to speed. 3, 2, 1, subtract 1.0. Last two. Three, two, one, add 1.0 to speed. Three, two, one, subtract 1.0 from speed. Last one. You sound like me. I was telling the class the other morning with burpees. I go, when I record the class and then I look back at the recording and all, I go, you find there's certain words and sounds that you repeat a lot. And
Right.
is, oh boy. I said, oh boy.
Yep.
After doing 10 burpees, it's like a lot of breathing heavy and oh boy. 3, 2, 1, add 1.0 to speed for the last time in this level. 3, 2, 1, down to base pace. And if you need to go to a walk, you can take it down to a walking pace. So I'm going to let you walk for 2 minutes.
Okay.
And then we're going to do our Everest walking drill, okay?
Okay.
We did that last week.
Yeah.
What we're going to do is, I can't remember, do you remember what your treadmill goes up to incline? Does it?
We went up to 15.
Okay. I couldn't remember if yours, I think someone only, oh, the other guys only went up to 10, but yours does 15. All right.
Or higher, I don't know, but it worked at 15.
15's good. So what we're going to do this time is we're going to have you walk at 3 to 3.5.
Right.
And you're going to do each level for 90 seconds. So we're going to add just a 30-second longer. So it'll be 90 seconds walking at 10% at 3.0. Then we'll go to 12.5 and then we'll do 15.
Okay.
All right. So 3.0 might feel a little slow when you're starting because that's a 20-minute mile, which is not too long fast. So you can start a little higher if you want it. Usually I'd say the minimum's 3.5. It seems like that seems to be comfortable for most people.
Okay, I'll do 3.5.
All right, let's do it 3.5 and let's see if you can maintain that for the whole 4.5 minutes.
Okay.
All right. You got about 20 seconds. So why don't you go ahead and put it up to 10% because it's going to take a little while for it to get up. And I'm just going to start the clock in 10 seconds as well right now. You're at 3.5 at 10%, and we'll start the clock now. So you'll be 90 seconds at this one. And also the whole idea of Everest is we call this Everest, this last part of the class, because you're climbing, is you can't touch the handrails at all. If so, you're penalized. We add more time on the last interval.
Okay.
At least that's what we do in treadmill class at work. One more minute. Then you'll be done.
Okay.
right, let's take it to 12.5 incline. You find the arms become more useful as this incline gets bigger. You have to pump the arms a little more to keep moving. One more minute at 12.5. Thirty seconds. All right, here we go. Take it up to 15%.
Oh, God. Okay.
And try to keep it at 3.5 and pump those arms. You're down to the last minute.
Okay. The back of my legs and my ass. Oh my God.
Yeah, one of my members told me she took her little girl out for a walk the other day, and they walked for about a mile, mile and a half. And the next day, her mom, she came in and you got one more, 30 seconds left. She said, "Mommy, my butt hurts."
Yeah.
Why is her butt hurting? Then she went, "Oh yeah, we went on a walk." And she goes, "We have this big hill by us, and we walked up and down the hill, up and down the hill."
Right.
So she said, it's good to know even little kids have muscle soreness after working out.
Yeah.
Here we go in 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, take it down to 0%. You can grab the treadmill, bring it down.
Okay. Whew.
All right, you have one more minute of walking. If you want to bring it down to 3.0, just get the heart rate down.
Oh, I got heart rate on my thing. Check it.
Oh, do you have it?
Yeah. Whew. $123. Not that bad.
Yeah, but it was probably up in the 140s because as you came down, the heart rate recovers pretty quickly.
Oh yeah, 143.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does that say what your maximum heart rate was 143?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Now it's at 150, but it's coming down.
Yeah.
Whew. Yeah, it's coming down.
So what is it right now?
145.
Oh, I thought you said it was 123. Did you say?
Oh, at first I didn't hold it long enough.
Oh, okay. So it was up to what? 150 you said at first?
Yeah, 152.
So it was probably even higher than that because you had started to bring in the treadmill down and it was probably starting to recover already.
Yes.